Nestled amidst the Guadalupe River and the soaring green water tower, and just 65 paces from the oldest dance hall in Texas, is a little Mexican cafe known for its mouth-watering guacamole, epic fish tacos, and award-winning one-of-a-kind margaritas. It may not boast the title of most famous dining like the gristmill, but Cantina del Rio definitely leads the can't-miss casual dining experiences within the Gruene Historic District. The first thing you should know about the building is that it is a transplant. It was originally constructed in Martindale, Texas back in the early 1900s and was relocated to Gruene in 1983. At the time, it was called Rodriguez's General Store, and the modern renaissance of Gruene had only just begun. Since then, the structure has been home to an assortment of restaurants, but this festive and fun cantina over the river has been a hit for not only tourists, but local residents as well. With its open-air patio, tin roof, surrounding oak and pecan trees, and old scuffed hardwood floors, Cantina del Rio was designed to be reminiscent of an early South Texas ice house. It officially opened its doors in June 2010 by the same owners of the popular Gristmill River Restaurant and Bar and Mosey's Bar and Grill. Each of these locations offers a unique twist on what it's like to take a bite into Texas. Visitors of Cantina del Rio can sit down to a South Texas-inspired meal, all while relaxing over the Guadalupe and taking in the various sights and sounds that only the Gruene Historic District has to offer.